Hi, welcome to TeluguOne Food. I'm your host Chef Savio and today we'll be making some baby potato salad. Baby potato salad is a very simple salad which you can use it as a side for your roast item, your grills. So let's start making the salad. Around 1 cup of baby potatoes which is cut into halves. Then we have some sour cream for the dressing, some salt, pepper, olive oil. We have some peeled garlic here. We have some chopped chives. Then we have some rosemary to toss our potatoes and little bit of red capsicum which we have cut it into small dices which we can use it as a garnish. So we'll start by adding a little bit of salt to our water. Now we'll add our cut baby potatoes into the salted water. And now we'll boil the potatoes for around 8 to 10 minutes till it is nice and soft. So our potatoes are boiling now. We'll just wait and check after 7 to 8 minutes. If the potatoes are boiled almost like 80 to 90%, we'll just take it out and then we'll cook it on a pan. So it's been almost 10 minutes now and our potatoes are almost 90% cooked. So we'll start taking out from the water and strain it. The reason we are cooking it only 90% is because we'll be finishing this on a pan. Now we'll heat a large non-stick pan. We'll add around 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And once our pan is hot, we'll drop in our blanched potatoes in it. So our pan is hot now. We'll toss in our potatoes inside the pan. And using the tongs, you can just flip the potatoes over. We want golden brown crust on the bottom part. So now we'll just add a little bit of rosemary and some peeled garlic into the pan so it gets a nice flavor. So we'll allow it to cook for around 5 to 6 minutes till it gets a nice caramelized color. So it's almost been 5 minutes and our potatoes are nice and golden brown. Now just lightly season it with some salt and some pepper. And now we'll just take it off the flame and allow it to cool down. So till our potatoes are getting cold, we'll make some dressing for the potato salad. So our potatoes have become almost has come to room temperature now. So we'll make the dressing for the salad. So for the dressing, we have around 3 tablespoons of sour cream. Just add a pinch of salt to it since our potato also has enough salt. So just check the seasoning before adding more salt. We'll add some crushed pepper and a little bit of olive oil, around 1 tablespoon. We'll add some chopped chives. If you do not have chives, you can also add some green onions. And now we'll mix it. Now we'll add our roasted potatoes to this. We have some chopped bell pepper. You can add this, it will give a nice bright color to the salad. This salad you can have it with any of your roast items, or if you have some fish or something, you can add it as a side salad to your main meat. So now we're plating the salad. You can use the leftover bell pepper for garnish. And some chives.